How to use essential oils for your muscles and joints. Musculoskeletal conditions are becoming more common every day. These conditions may be caused by many things, from injuries after exercise or poor postural hygiene to natural deterioration related to age. Unfortunately, there are no efficient long-term pharmacological treatments for this condition. Therefore, we recommend that you use essential oils to relieve muscle and joint pain. It's true that oral medicine is more convenient to use. For instance, you can take them with you wherever you want to take them. However, topical solutions are much more effective when it comes to muscles and limbs. This is because our skin pores allow the lotion to penetrate directly into the damaged area in a very short time. Essential oils do all this without harming any organ in our digestive system and without affecting our blood pressure. Sometimes, we would like to use them but are overwhelmed by the large number of existing products. After all, there are some essential oils that are better suited to certain situations than others. But which are the best essential oils for you? If you've asked yourself this question, then keep reading. What are the best essential oils for muscles? 1. Rosemary camphor oil. This essential oil is very in demand as it's an excellent analgesic and muscle relaxant. It's just what we need when we have muscular cramps and similar aches. As you know, it's quite common for many people to have muscle cramps. Using computers and mobile phones, along with not enough time to do exercise, have caused this type of pain to torment us more than ever. Therefore, before using medicine to deal with this problem, it's best to apply rosemary camphor essential oil to the affected area. However, pregnant women, those who are breastfeeding and children under 6 years old shouldn't use this type of oil. 2. Wintergreen oil. Do you have tendinitis or epicondylitis? We know that they are very disabling conditions, but there is a very powerful way to treat them. This essential oil for muscles and joints is known as natural aspirin. In fact, those who are allergic to acetyl salicylic acid can't use it. As in the previous case, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding as well as children under 6 cannot use this essential oil. In your treatment, you can also include localized heat, practice yoga and eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, as they contain great anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Kami eucalyptus blue gum essential oil. If you've wondered what to do if you're part of one of the groups that can't use wintergreen or rosemary essential oils, then don't worry. Blue eucalyptus gum oil offers the same benefits, with the advantage that almost anyone can use it. Its analgesic power is very strong and it also helps you to relax. How to apply these essential oils. These products are used topically, so they are less invasive than traditional pharmacological remedies. This is why you should dilute them in other substances, such as almond oil or arnica oil. If you don't do this, then the essential oils in question may irritate your skin. You achieve the same effect without putting your skin in danger when you mix these oils with carrier oils. Experts in naturopathy explain that it's best to gently massage the affected area with almond oil or arnica oil. Since these oils contain anti-inflammatory elements, they act against pain and prepare the epidermis for the essential oil you plan to use. After you finish massaging the area with the carrier oil, you can then apply a few drops of the selected essential oils. You feel the effects almost straight away, as you notice how the pain subsides in just a few minutes. You can repeat the same procedure up to 4 times a day. Incredible, right? We finally have alternatives to alleviate pain and be able to do all the activities we love. Best of all, we can rest assured that we have a solution that will help us live better.